Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Welcome to Diamond Head Visitor Center and Crater. How many people know how Diamond Head got its name? If so, put something in the comments before I tell you later in the video. We find ourselves one more time inside the crater of a volcano, walking up the Diamond Head Trail. And in case you don't know, because we didn't, you have to have reservations and pay a fee to get in here. So if you're thinking about doing Diamond Head while in Oahu, get your reservations in ahead of time. The path starts out really nice and paved like you saw in the last clip, but after a while the pavement here ends and it turns into just rock, which it really isn't too bad of a walk as far as difficulty goes, other than the fact it's uphill quite a bit. We got here early in the day as seen by the low sun here in the horizon. I recommend you do these types of things early before the heat of the day and before the crowds. Even though we did it early, a lot of other people had the same idea because there was a lot of people here. Check out the caves. Looks like some pillboxes over there. The crater got its name Diamond Head from the English explorers back in the 1800s. They mistook all the sparkling calcite for diamonds, therefore they named it Diamond Head. In 1904, the U.S. government purchased Diamond Head to be used as a military base, and it remained in control until 1955 when it was returned to the territory of Hawaii. During this period, tunnels were carved into the crater in addition to construction of batteries and bunkers. A trail to the summit was built in 1908, providing access to multiple points along the slopes used for island coastal defense system. These systems can still be seen today. Well, I guess if there's a medical emergency, got a helipad up here. Let me get a panoramic here. Well, needless to say, we made it to the top. All right, let's go check out the coastal defenses. Little pillbox. We got coastal defenses up here. Oh. There's a nice view of the lighthouse. It's amazing how wartime changes the landscape. Yeah, low bridge. It's as bad as that pillbox I walked into yesterday. Oh. Well, here's a gun mount. Little gun mount. Probably look out.
Almost there.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour walking up Diamond Head Crater. If you're in Oahu, it's well worth the time and the money and the, the exercise to walk up this big mountain. If you would, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, mash that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Alright, that completes the tour of Diamond Head. Just a little better view of the tunnel on the way out.